From time to time, we like to show off a car we're working on because we are freaking car people and we love them and we still love them. Every day something cool like this comes in, we get excited about it. And so behind me on the lift here is a Mustang GTD. If you aren't familiar with what this car is, you probably don't care about cars at all, or you've been living under a rock, because everybody's been talking about this thing from before it came out. And then when it came out, it ran a sub 7-minute Nürburgring time, which is really, really fast. And so here it is in all of its glory. Beautiful car, super wide, a lot of carbon fiber panels on this, obviously super lightweight things. The sticker price on this is like north of $300,000, so way more than even the Shelby GT500s, but also way more extreme performance than you get with that. It's called the GTD for Grand Touring Daytona, which is like an IMSA racing class, the GTD class. We're doing a full paint protection film wrap on this with our 10 mil film from XPEL, and XPEL does already have patterns for this car. We modify those patterns. We never just install what they have, because if they did, we would end up with areas that aren't wrapped. So like maybe the top of this fender wouldn't wrap in, or the back of this fender. We do some custom things like that to ensure that even though we're using patterns, so we're not cutting on the car everywhere, we still have a much better coverage than you would get with just the patterns. That in itself takes lots of skill and lots of time to do. Our technicians spend a lot of time physically modifying those patterns on the computer before we cut them. So every inch of white and shiny gloss black on this car will be protected, as well as some of the painted satin black pieces. We'll hit these with XPEL Stealth. This car's super unique. We'll show you the suspension inside in a second, but even the trunk, like this is a thoroughbred race car for the street, similar to like the RS models from Porsche, or I mean, the Ford GT that came before this. They've removed the trunk and they have an intercooler or a radiator, whatever this is, some sort of cooling components with air that gets directed in there. From what I was reading, that cools suspension and transmission components. We have another one of these at our other store right now, and I happen to be there when the car got delivered, and it comes with its own GTD concierge, which is basically a guy that shows up when your car is getting delivered to you that knows everything about these cars and walks you through all of those features. So he was physically there. His job is to travel around the country. He said there's a total of 3 of them for the whole United States, and they show up to your GTD delivery and go over it with you. I just thought that was the coolest white glove experience, and I'm sure that contributes to that cost. As we go around the back of the car, the obvious striking feature is this wing that is mounted to like the C-pillar area, active aero. It's got a drag reduction system built into the aero of this car too, and it has Mustang on the back, similar to the way that the GT3s have Porsche on the back. I love that. We tinted the windows on this as well with our XPEL XR ceramic line of film. We also protected the windshield with our XPEL windshield protection film. So this car will probably see some racetrack time, and as it should. No garage queens for these, please. They're built to be driven. And the windshield is something that gets beat up on a racetrack really badly, and so the windshield protection film should help a lot with that. We got to show you under the hood. This is an 800 horsepower, 2.2 liter engine they're calling the Predator, which I think is very similar, if not the same engine from the GT500, but it's paired to a dual clutch 8-speed now, so faster shifting. And then the whole rear of the car is totally different. It's got a transaxle setup that allows for better weight distribution and handling. And then we're going to show you the suspension on the inside of the car. They have this really cool window in the back seat. Inside of the car looks pretty Mustang-y, but with lots of carbon fiber, which is pretty cool. Different steering wheel and shifters, but the real star of the show is the suspension back there. It's got a polycarbonate window, so you can see the suspension in action, which is really cool. This has a dual spring setup, so I guess basically to change spring rates, you can do that just by hitting a button. In track mode, the car lowers 1.6 inches. So really cool setup, and I don't know that I've ever seen that in a car where you can see you know, the mechanical things behind you. So I just wanted to share this car with you guys. We're working on it. It's really cool. If you're a car person like we are, we thought you'd appreciate seeing it. And we always like to let you know what kind of our products, or XPEL products, that we are installing on those cars. Thank you for tuning in. The next cool project that comes in, we'll try to make a video for you as well.